Hello, we are going to discuss a very important topic today. The topic is why cancer is not a curable disease. Okay, so cancer is a complex and a challenging group of diseases. It is not a single disease, it is a group of diseases. Its classification as a single entity with a universal cure is not feasible due to several key factors. First, cancer is characterized by its heterogeneity, meaning that it is not a singular disease, but a collection of conditions or diseases that can affect various organs and tissues in the body. So each type of cancer possesses unique characteristics, genetic mutations, and underlying causes. So consequently, developing a single cure that can effectively target the diverse array of cancers is an enormous challenge for the research community. So the other important reason is the genetic mutations are the fundamental driving force behind cancer development, because as we know, cancer is a disease of the genome. So there has to be some fundamental genetic changes that has to happen at the DNA level. So these mutations are highly variable and can differ even with the same type of cancer. This genetic diversity further complicates finding a single cure, because cancer in each patient may have different or distinct genetic changes that requires personalized treatment strategies, meaning that you cannot treat all the patients in the same way for a particular type of cancer. The other important thing is the cancer stage. The stage at which the cancer is diagnosed significantly impacts the chances of a cure. So the early stage cancers, often localized and confined to the organ where it started, so those are all more likely be curable through surgical removal or giving localized therapy like radiation. So in contrast, advanced stage cancer, meaning that the cancer have already spread to other organs, that makes the treatment more difficult and less likely to result in a complete cure. The next challenge is why we are not able to cure cancer is resistance to treatment. The cancer of the same kind treated by a particular treatment may not work for all the patients. Some patients will respond, some patients may not respond, and even some patients who responded well initially, then they develop resistance, meaning that the cancer will come back. So what happens is the cancer cells adapt and become resistant to the drugs or therapies initially used against them. So this resistance necessitates changes in treatment regimens and the development of new drugs to overcome it. So developing new drugs for any new mutations is not possible within a short time. Then the next reason is metastasis, meaning cancer spreading to other parts of the body. So this again further complicates the treatment. So once cancer has metastasized, it often becomes a systematic disease, meaning that it is affecting multiple organs that require more aggressive and complex treatment approaches, making complete cure is less common. Then the other important point is cancer cells evade the immune system, meaning that our body is not able to recognize the cancer cell as a foreign cell, so that our immune system will eliminate the cancer cell. So the cancer cells easily evade or escape the immune system. So that impairs the natural ability of the body to recognize and eliminate them. So this immune evasion adds another layer of complexity to cancer treatment and efforts to harness the immune system to target cancer are ongoing. We have made some good progress using some specific markers like PD-L1 or checkpoint inhibitors, but still there is more work need to be done because that approach is not working for all type of cancer. While the targeted therapies have shown promise in treating some types of cancer, they are unavailable for all cancer types because we don't know, which target to develop drugs, because for many cancers we don't know the specific targets. So developing targeted therapies requires a deep understanding of the genetic or molecular alterations driving the particular cancer type, which can be a slow and a complex process. So the scientists continue to uncover the complexities of the cancer. So discovering a universal cure for cancer is a long-term goal that depends on a thorough understanding of cancer biology, ongoing research efforts, and collaboration among researchers and healthcare professionals. Moreover, ethical considerations play a role in cancer research and treatment. Some experimental therapies that show promise in preclinical studies may have ethical concerns or unknown long-term effects, so leading to cautious and rigorous evaluations before widespread use. So, in summary, why we are not able to cure cancer is a complete and universal cure for all type of cancer remains. It is elusive. Significant progress has been made in understanding, diagnosing, and treating various forms of the disease. So advances in early detection, targeted therapies, immunotherapy, and personalized medicine have improved outcomes and the quality of life for many cancer patients. So the complexity and the heterogeneity of cancer makes it challenging, but ongoing research and medical innovation continues to move us closer to more effective treatments and eventually a world where cancer is more controllable and manageable. Thank you.